Hey, what's up, guys? Good morning, everyone, or good afternoon, or good evening, wherever you are right now. So, once again, guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I just want to share because I'm only stay in my flat, in my room. So, for the transitions of my job, so I have a new assignment, which is located in Dubai. So basically that is part of the construction phase. So that is continuations of my work here in Musapa in PCC or in MDC. So now I'm moving forward to Dubai. So hopefully, guys, I will give you continuous ideas and learning about those experiences that I gained for 25 years experiences from the oil and gas industry, from engineering, construction, commissioning, pre-commissioning, and quality inspections, and also in the construction job. So my job right now as a E&I senior construction supervisor or specialist or engineer. So this is the work at this moment in my previous 5 years. So now waiting for the actual activities at site. So I'm doing short videos from this channel. All right. So anyway, hopefully that you already gained some of the knowledge that I shared to you guys related quality, pre-commissioning, related the construction. So those informations that I shared to you guys, that is valuable and very interesting, that some of you, and I received so many emails that's related that I can help more related all those videos. So they are happy and they love to know more about the E&I works, electrical, instrumentation, telecoms, ever including fire and gas, because as a part of the E&I job descriptions, your work it's including these 4 activities. Okay, electrical, instrument, telecom, and fire and gas. So this is basically sharing the ideas which I gain in actual experience. So hopefully, guys, that right now, for how many years? I think around 3 years, I've been sharing my experiences, even the videos that I shared to you guys, that hopefully that this will be gain more knowledge, and some of the emails I responded that I share those documents, some of the infos documents that I shared, that hopefully that it will be elevate your knowledge, and those persons, those people, and who bought my PDF file, ebook PDF file, hopefully that also can gain knowledge. And this is not like typical. This is typical works. For example, if you are talking about installation, that's part of the installation, and this is typical installations of the works wherever you go, either Aramco, Qatar Petroleum, Occidental Petroleum, either ADNOC, Oman, PDO, and etc. So if you are talking about British, American Standard, so this is all of our experiences. All right, so basically this is the knowledge and the informations that I shared in my ebook. That's part of the international standards that can be applied in anywhere, because every installations we have the same, only the matter of the standard of international standards that we combine in this activity. So hopefully, guys, at this moment you already know some of the informations related the quality, construction, and pre-commissioning. So comment guys if you know already and elevate yourself already about all of these informations which I shared in my YouTube channel. Hopefully, and take care guys. God bless all. Bye bye.